Assalamu alaikum. We have studied about derived quantities and fundamental quantities in the previous video. In this video, we discuss about the classification of physical quantities as vector quantity and scalar quantity. Now, before going ahead, let me tell you what is a scalar quantity. A scalar quantity is one which has got only magnitude. Scalar quantity. Here when we say quantity, it represents the physical quantity, and we know physical quantity is any quantity which can be measured. So physical quantity, any quantity that can be measured is referred as a physical quantity. If we come across a physical quantity which has got only magnitude and no direction, then we call such quantity as scalar quantity. So scalar quantities have only magnitude and no direction. They have only magnitude and no direction. What does this magnitude means? Let me tell you. Magnitude is nothing but the size of a given quantity. Then let's go ahead. Let me tell you about a vector quantity. Now, before going ahead, let me give few examples of scalar quantity. We come across different physical quantities like mass, distance, speed. These quantities have got only magnitude and no direction, so they are referred as scalar quantity. Now let me tell you about vector quantities. Vector quantities. These are the physical quantities which has got both magnitude and direction. So they possess both the magnitude and the direction. Already I told you here magnitude represents the size, and geometrically we can represent a vector quantity with the help of a line with arrow mark. So there, this line with arrow mark with arrowhead represents a vector quantity geometrically. And here when we talk about any vector represented by this kind of symbol or represented by this kind of line with arrowhead, it comprises of two parts. This end from where a vector starts is known as tail. We call this one as tail. And this part, this portion where arrow mark is present is referred as head of the vector or vector quantity. Clear? I hope I have understood. Then I will tell you how we represent a vector quantity. A vector quantity is represented in two different methods, in two different ways. The old method of representing a vector quantity is by a bold letter. Suppose I take A as a vector quantity, then I will represent that vector quantity by a bold letter, something like this. But this one is a very old method of representing a vector quantity. Nowadays, it is represented in this manner. So suppose A is a vector quantity. Now above this you will find a yellow head. So this is the symbol of a vector quantity. Now I will give certain examples of vector quantity. So we have weight. Weight is a vector quantity. Force is also a vector quantity. Like we have displacement. Displacement is a vector quantity. Like we have large number of vector quantities. I hope the video is useful. If you have any kind of doubt related to the topic, can you put a question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.